guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe and also ring the little notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload a video. Today we are going to be reviewing a hair product and you guys seem to really like them. So I'm going to review another product that I've been using since Christmas time and New Year. So I've been using this product about 6-7 months, give or take. And I love it. I even bought the bigger version of it because I use it every time I get out of the shower and I wash my hair. So it is the Moroccan oil. I will leave a link to this down below so if you want to get your hands on some. It's just amazing. So basically this product is kind of a treatment to leave in. Obviously you don't rinse it out or anything. It's a product that you just like leave in your hair and you apply when your hair is damp / wet. My hair is like dampish, wettish when I get out of the shower, obviously, because I dry it. But then I put 3 pumps each. Well, I do 2 or 3 pumps. When I had the smaller version of this, I just poured a little like dab on my fingers. And then what I do is just like put it on my hair kind of like this. And I go from kind of like the neck down. Obviously, like you can go a little bit higher, but you don't want to be putting this like right near or on your scalp because you don't need your scalp to be oily. I mean, this is probably geared more towards treated hair, like color treated hair, but you can use it on your natural hair. Like it will definitely help and just make your hair really shiny and look super healthy. Because after I started using this product, I've gotten many compliments about how my hair looks really nice and everything. Oh, I did want to add, I always I should write stuff down before I film, but I don't because I don't even know what I'm going to say when I'm trying to plan. But anyway, forgot what I was going to say, but I wanted to add that I tried the light version of this. They do make a Moroccan oil light because this stuff comes out yellow. So it's like a yellow consistency. It's kind of bright yellow. So when you put it on blonde hair, it can make your hair a little bit more brassy. It hasn't really made my hair brassy at all, at least I haven't noticed it, but they do make a version of this for bleached hair. I did try that and this one works better. I think the original works better. The light doesn't give it's not as like thick as this one. I don't know, I just really find that the original is the best because I have tried both. And I got recommended this product by one of my friends on YouTube. Her name's Emmy Hags. Well, actually it was Hags, but now it's M. Koyman. I think that's how you pronounce her new last name because she's married and like has a baby now. So they're such a cute family. But she recommended me this product and I fell in love with it. Spencer's parents, when I was at their house for Christmas, I got this and I got this in my stocking and I was like, yes, because I've been wanting to try this so bad. I'm a diehard fan of it. I highly recommend it. This is not sponsored, nothing like that. I just love this product and it smells good too. Like I'm always nervous about smells because my nose is so sensitive. I was nervous that this was gonna like smell really bad and like my hair, and you know your hair's like right next to your nose practically, so I was like, oh, I hope this smells good. If it doesn't, then like I'm kind of screwed and I'll have to wash my hair again. But no, to me it smells great. It smells kind of like a sweet scent. That's the best way I can put it. It's very sweet. I can't really compare it to anything because it's a very unique smell, but it doesn't smell like oils, like other types of oils, because there's some oils that I cannot stand the smell of, and I don't know how to describe it, but like there are other hair treatments, but I know that like some certain gels also smell like it and it just smells disgusting. This smells so good. I highly recommend it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of tell my 2 cents on this product. And I don't want to make this video like a million years long. So if you guys have any more questions on this product, please leave it in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.